Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So let's try Smith-Morra. Yeah, so bishop d3, interesting move I think that I've been trying recently. Let's try and avoid the c3 Sicilian lines basically. We've got an interesting position here I think. My bishop's kind of blocked in, but this e5 here I think is interesting. Oh, he's got knight takes e5. I think that's a flaw for queen a5. That was a flaw there. Whoops. Might have been let off the hook to have this position. To be honest. Okay, I've been let off the hook. But having got it, I think h3 is interesting now for bishop h6. If I take, looks like I've got some compensation here going on. Queen e4 coming up, maybe. d5, maybe knight d2, knight e4. Okay. Yes. Over here, maybe to h5. Knight f1 to g3 to h5. This might be useful as well. Knight f1 to g3. Might get out of the danger here from MisterDanger. Try and get out of the danger. I hope he hasn't got a rucksack or something at the moment. Queen d7 has got a rucksack potential. Right, there's f6 potentially. And something like g3 here just to get out of the pin. It's weakening. It's got f6 on the cards. Something like rook c1. Just saying, okay, f6, is it that dangerous? The f6 does seem as though it's usefully undermining the center. Yeah, he's gone for it. There's nothing I can do about it. Maybe my king shouldn't have been here. Whoa, what's happening here? I hope my rooks are good, if nothing else. Probably no entry points. Okay. Knight takes c6. I'm not getting anywhere with knight c6. Knight g4. Maybe bishop g7. The other knight to f3. Knight c6. Don't think knight f7 is doing anything. Queen f3. Maybe just supporting. I don't know, f4? Is it f4? I'm going to try f4. I'm going to use a bit of time there, quite a bit of time. Knight f3 coming up. Don't know, has he successfully undermined my center? These are still doubled pawns. Surely the position is not too bad. If I get this position here. Probably I need to try and he's got that g file potential all the time, and bishop h3 is dangerous. So something like knight h2 in advance, and queen h5. I'm hoping bishop h3 is not working here. If I get queen h5 in, trying to put some pressure. Was the F file worth it? Maybe just Rook F1, just try and Rook F2, try and use this F file. At the same time defend, if possible. Looks as though actually Rook G5. Yes, this has really gone well. Looks as though it's a bit potentially passive. I think it's achieved what he wanted to. Kind of got a weakened king here. Still go with this. I don't know, Rook E3, probably a pain. Queen D2. Oh, he's going to win the E5 pawn. Just realised. Oh dear, big trouble. The E5 pawns are really vulnerable. Is Rook F3 possible? I think I'm losing a pawn, whatever. Knight E5. Rook takes, Queen takes. Probably Rook F3 in the circumstances. It doesn't look good. Oh man! Knight takes E5. He's winning another pawn. Knight takes E5. Rook G3. Queen G3. Another pawn bites the dust. Then what? Big trouble. Yeah. Oh, there is that as well. Whoops. Yes, Rook G1 is mating. Oh, that went pear-shaped. Oh dear, that was MisterDanger. Oh, sleepy. What a sleepy performance that. Let's just lift this up a bit. See the engine view. Maybe not needed. Okay, maybe just use this number on the right. Surely I was okay here. Knight A3, no. So I went wrong. A3, Knight F1. Either King H1. Maybe that was a bad mistake actually. My centre's getting undermined with King H2. G3, I was worried about H3. G3, as simple as that. If here, oh, there's E6. So simple as that. And if he took here, in this position, this is okay. It's like I let my center melt away here in this continuation. This is looking as though black's easily putting pressure down the G file. Yeah, it's not looking too hot here. I think Rook E3 is on the cards. Could have played it here. I don't know what to do here. It looks as though there's not only the G file, it's E5. Disaster. Rook takes G2, yeah, this is absolutely disaster. Whoa, morning game, that's my excuse, it's the first game of the morning. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube? Whoa, thanks very much.